This is my car. It's a Volvo. It's almost a classic car. See that? And I haven't used it for 3 days because it's not running well. I have to have it tuned. I'll see if I can do it by myself. Take out the spark plugs, clean them, and then put it in the slot. So this is how I practice my English, not to forget my fluent. The spark plugs has been already cleaned, and I'm going to open the hood. This is a European car, so the hood goes this way. Now let's get to action. Here I am. My car, I think, needs a tune-up, and I'm not a mechanic, but I'm trying to get this spark plug into the slot here, and I hope when I start the engine it will run pretty well. It's another car. It's a Volvo, 30 years old. This is the other one. It has holding the Camry. The camera. It's called Camry. Even though it's a cell phone, it's not easy. This is the last one. See? There it goes. Now that the four spark plugs are in place, now we are going to tighten this plug with this tool. Using this wrench, I'm going to twist it like this in order to have them tighten. So this is the last one. Okay, you guys to connect the cables here. Let's see. I hope I haven't forgotten the place. This is here. Right, everything is in place, and we'll see how it goes. You see this is my car. You see it says Volvo. So this is this ignition kit. Actually, the key was in another place. I'm going to get some gas and see how it works. Well, it seems that it's running well. Yeah. Well, the car is running well, and see. It's a Volvo. Well, let me show you a little bit inside the car. This is an old car. I can tell. The air conditioner is not working. That's why I put that fan. And radio has a radio. See the. See? You don't feel it, but can you hear? Very good. Turning the switch off. That's it. Homemade personal tune-up. And today is raining. You see how you work at the home and practice your English talking to yourself. Even though you make mistakes, but you practice. My 2 bike that I use to do exercise. Well, now that I have completed my job, let's see how it runs in my neighborhood.